We're going to take a look at how to replace the battery on this Volvo key fob. What you need is you need a small flathead screwdriver, and this back cover right here is what comes out. So you can use, you can see there, that's coming out. Now right here you have the battery. Use your screwdriver right there to remove this battery. And then you can see in the back of the battery, right there is the positive. There's a plus sign. When you take a new battery, you want to make sure that the plus is up. And you insert it in here, push it down, take the back cover, put it in the back first, and then just close it like so. And that's it.